Within neurosurgery, I took a very, very strong liking towards complex spine and deformity. The three-dimensional anatomy of the spine is as complicated as skull-based surgery. In order to treat somebody, you have to learn how far and how little you have to push the boundaries in order to correct somebody's deformity. If somebody has a spine that, for lack of a better term, looks like a pretzel, in order to straighten that pretzel out, you can only push or pull to a certain degree without hurting the patient. And that takes a lot of training, a lot of experience, and a lot of exposure, and a lot of concentration. And that's what drew me to doing complex spine. It allows me to practice very, very state-of-the-art technologies, yet use all the experience that I've gained throughout the years, as well as through my training, in order to make somebody walk again. In neurosurgery, we train in both brain as well as spinal disorders. And most programs, you do a majority of spinal surgery with typically about 25% to 75%, but at my training program, we did a fair share, almost 50-50 between cranial, brain surgeries and spine surgeries. The immediate impact you have on a patient by treating a very bad spine problem gives you an immeasurable amount of satisfaction that you were able to help somebody get back to a normal functional life. When we do cranial surgery, it's very complex, it's very delicate, but the three-dimensional anatomy of the brain is similar to the three-dimensional anatomy of a complex spine or a complex spine deformity. And using both things that we've learned in modern day, such as carpentry, but using the care and the precision of the surgical tools as well as our knowledge, the ability to take somebody's very malformed spine and straighten it out is what drew me to the profession. It's not only just a satisfaction on seeing an improvement in the neurologic outcome, it's a satisfaction in seeing that you've prevented them from having worse problems in the future, and you, for lack of a better term, have really straightened out their spine and straightened out their life.